Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota again. Wanted to reach out because I had a couple people ask this question. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of give you the information here that's an easy way to figure it out. I'm currently in a Highlander. This is a 2019 Limited Platinum Highlander. This is one of the ones that has something known as bird's eye view. Bird's eye view is available on your Camry, your Avalon, your Highlander, of course, your Land Cruiser, your Sequoia. Trying to think. RAV4 has the availability of it. I believe that's it, but if I've left something out, I apologize for that. I'm just trying to go off the top of my head for it. But what I'm going to show you here is that you'll always seem to find it over here on the left side, the way that you can actually look at it here. You get this view button here. The view button is how you turn on your bird's eye view. Once you hit this view button, which I'm going to bring us over to the main screen here, hit the view button right now, you're going to get this view. What it's going to do is it's going to look around there. Center will be a representation of the vehicle that you're in, not necessarily the exact vehicle. I'm actually in a blue Highlander. Obviously, you can tell that is not a blue Highlander. But what you can see is it's going to go and it's going to give you the ability to look around the vehicle. You can change what you're looking at if you hit that button right there. Now it looks like you're kind of standing on the roof and looking around, and it uses a camera on the bottom of each mirror, additional camera on the bottom of the nose, and then it uses your backup camera to give you that view. Now, as you start to move, you'll see it turns your backup camera on here and still gives you this camera so that you have the ability to see exactly where you're going and why you're going there. But you can kind of look there, see where you are. Now as you go forward, you're going to see shuts that off unless you're on auto. So let me go ahead and turn this back. I'm going to go back here. Now I'm going to hit auto here, but you can see what it's just showed here is now it's looking at the front as you're driving forward, so you can see that. When you have it on auto mode and you click this auto button, it will automatically turn on anytime that you're in drive and you're less than 7 miles an hour, so 7 miles an hour or less. Once you hit 8, it'll shut back off, but it'll allow you to see going around a curve, something along those lines. But that is your bird's eye view camera. So again, I'll put it in park here. I'll hit bird's eye view so you can take another look at it. That is how your bird's eye view camera works, operates, and how it looks from the screen. Gives you a quick look there, and then it comes back up to the top. It is a great feature. It can see the curbs, things like that. Like I said, always remember it's a representation of your vehicle. Don't look at it and say, but that's not my vehicle. We know it's not your vehicle, but it does look around the nose and the sides and uses wide angle camera lenses to do so, and it is a very, very vivid picture. It is great for seeing curbs or something that might be leaning against your vehicle, or if it's just possibly something where you're going to try to back up and be in a very tight spot. It will give you an extra level of security in what you're doing, so you actually can understand if you're about to hit something or not, or if maybe you need to get out and take a little closer look. Obviously, it's not going to be it's not going to always take the place of getting out and looking with your eye, but if something is that close, maybe you still want to go look at it, but it's very, very accurate. So I'm impressed with this system. I hope you will be too. Bird's eye view with the Toyota, that's, like I said, on most Toyotas, and probably coming on more, and it does normally come only on your higher end of the Toyota. Definitely bird's eye view. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. Put any questions, comments in the in this bottom section there. We'll try to answer those for you as you give them. We'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the video.